Good morning, rockers. We are on the Norwegian Sky, and we wanted to give you a quick tour of our inside cabin. We are on deck number 8. Now we're on a cruise, a one-way cruise from Miami to the Dominican Republic. This is our last day. It's really early in the morning, so I'm trying to talk a little bit quiet because we wanted to experience the room for a few days before we gave the review. Let's go take a look. Come on. Right, let's start with the closets. Now, there's only 2 closets. This is an inside room, so it's not humongous, but it's not the smallest inside cabin we've stayed in, that's for sure. There's decent closet space on this side for your suits and whatever you need.
Just in case you need a ladder to get out, or to the top of the closet, you can climb that little ladder right there.
On this side, half-size closet here, but the safe's right here. The safe works really good. Didn't have any problems. It's a key code one. It's a decent size. It's not huge, but it'll fit your essentials in it. A few drawers down here. They're all the same. Extra towels.
As Tommy likes to say it, blowy device, otherwise known as a blow dryer.
Yes, I guess I have to be specific. A blow dryer. It's not a blowy device. All right, let's talk about the TV. The TV. It's kind of small, let's be honest. It's an inside cabin, but the cool thing is there's about 40 channels. About 10 of them are for Norwegian, so they pitch you on, what they're selling. They also show, which is really cool, the videos throughout the day. So when you go to like a glow party or a Caribbean party, they have a whole video collection that they do during the party, and then they play it in a loop throughout your cruise, which is kind of cool. Also, as far as movies go, they have 3 channels: action, comedy, and drama. And those play continuously, like on the hour. So if you want to watch a movie, you can do that. It's just not on demand like some of the newer cruise ships. This is their second oldest cruise ship, the Norwegian Sky. They just refurbished it in 2022, so the decor is pretty cool in here. Let's check out the bathroom. Now, if you've seen a cruise ship bathroom, you've probably seen them all, if you've seen one, but this one has a little bit more different than what we're used to on Carnival. It does have the shelving up there, which is cool. Not a lot of space down below. There's not a lot of storage, which we didn't really need. There's only 2 of us. The mirror's quite big, but the shower is a circle. In Carnival, it's more of like an ovally shape. This is a full circle, but
I do like it because it was roomier. It felt roomier to me in this shower for being a small cabin.
And I'm 6'2". I'm standing in here like I'm not touching the ceiling. This is adjustable, obviously, so if you got a tall person with you, you're good to go. And then that comes off, detaches when you're taking a shower. And then, of course, they have the essentials down here: shampoo and with conditioner, and then body wash. Ooh, there are also some 4 hooks on here for your towels, which is helpful in a small room. The more hooks, the better. There's actually one right around the corner here too. I don't know why they didn't put a couple, but they put one here if you want to hang your hats, whatever you need.
Something I think is cool is this cabin offers a extra bed right here. So if you have a child or you're traveling with 3, this totally would work out. We got a cute little couch area here.
This one converts to a bed too, so you could actually sail with 4 people in here if you wanted. I don't know about that though.
Yes, look how fun this is. Well, when you're on a budget, this room will definitely be a great deal for you. For sure.
As far as the bed goes, it's king, and so it's basically 2 twins put together. There is a seam in the middle between, because they literally put 2 twins together, so we've heard from some couples recently that you can
ask for a topper to be placed on here right in the beginning, and they place a topper so there's no seam that you get trapped in when you go to roll toward your mate.
And once again, we forgot to ask.
Yes, we did.
Another cool feature, you might not even know it's there, but on the side of the bedside lamps, there's the switch, but right below it, there's one USB port. It charges pretty quickly. Some of those are really slow, but it's really good. And there's one on either side, so that one over there has a USB charging port as well, which is cool. At night you can have your phone right next to you, you plug it in, and you're good to go.
Yeah, and they got the little end tables there with little cubby space for you to put your shoes or whatnots in. Stay organized during your trip.
Right down here is the fridge, what they call it. I don't know about that. Keep stuff just cool. But you know, like I said, this is our last day, so we have some fruit, some juice down there. It does have a bottle of water. There's two of them. There's one right here and one right here that come when you check into the room. Those are like $6 a piece if you decide to have one. And then there's a charging port over here. Our full outlet USA, and then they have the European style over here.
And a nice little ottoman to sit at when you would when you're doing anything. If you need to use this as a desk or you want to use it to put your makeup on, it's perfect.
Thank you so much for joining us on this tour. I know it was quick, but it's a small room, not much to show. And we had a blast on this cruise, our first Norwegian cruise. We're going to do some other videos on the restaurants, entertainment, so make sure to check the links in the description. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you love everything cruising, we'd love for you to join us on all of our adventures. And we're heading somewhere in Punta Cana.
Ooh, another place, all inclusive. Can't wait to bring you along.
We should be there in about 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
It'll be a little journey, but it's going to be fun. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Keep rocking.
Woo!